Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the app menu layout on this device. First, let me show you how to access the app menu. So, let's press the crown button to wake up the screen on our watch, then press it again to open the app menu. And here we have it. And as you can see, the icons are in the grid and we can change that basically. To do it, find the settings icon in the menu, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called watch face and home, tap on it, and here scroll down, tap on home, and we can select grid and list. Let's select the list. Now go back to watch face by pressing the crown button, press it again to open the menu, and as you can see now the apps are listed in the list. And if you want to change it to grid, simply open the settings, home, and watch face and home, then home and grid. And when you go back, it's gonna be in the grid style. And that's how you change the app menu layout on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.